Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw V of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is from BTS single Dynamite, which was later included in the album B. V in this MV wore a green frog suit which will remain legendary for years to come. I can't stop smiling while watching this MV. They looking so happy while making others laugh. So there's a song recommendation which I truly love, Love Me Again from his solo album Layover. V is a top tier artist. I wish more people discovered him as an artist and fell in love with his art. This man is so unpredictable, no one knows what he's gonna do next. His baritone voice truly shines in jazz and R&B. This beautiful melody that will make you feel like arrival of winter. His voice is uniquely unique. I mean, how can a deep voice also hit the high note so beautifully? His style of doing things is so unique and it spells V, no copy but himself. V is a masterpiece himself. Lastly, you are not freak but unique.